What's up, guys? Welcome back to Notch EV. This is a third service update, and this is probably going to be a quick one. I'm in Lucid, the Lucid Service Center in New Jersey, Rutherford, picking up the Gravity, and I actually asked to just pick it up today. They weren't technically done, but summer's here, and I've got things I want to do. I got other content I want to make with this car, but recap here. The main things that they were trying to do here were fix my front light beam, mustache I've been calling it, and then my rear seats. Ever since the very beginning, with the early cars, the rear seats kind of had a little bit of some issues with, partly with a recall and then also with squeaky motors. And so they halted delivery for a little bit, came up with a solution, and then started redoing those deliveries, and then are going back and fixing like the customers who had these seats. I think most people probably have it fixed already. I've been sort of busy and not too worried about my back seats, and so I've left it a little bit ignored for a while. But now the 60-40 split, the 60 side is a whole new seat. Like the entire mechanism, the leather that you sit in, it's a whole new seat. And so that's been fully replaced. And then the thing that did not happen was the adjustment to my front lamp here. And my issue with that is an issue that a lot of people have had, and it's also a thing that they've done a redesign on. But essentially there's some lifting going on. It happened to me with the cold weather. So they just need to figure out that fix, and it seems like they have, but the replacement lamp hasn't showed up in time, and I have to go places. So I said, you know what, let's fix that on my next visit. So I will be having a fourth service visit for essentially my day one problems. Part of that, I would say, is on Lucid and some of the organization, but part of it's totally on me, and I'm just taking my car away because I want to be doing things, and it's not a problem that's actually detrimental to anything. So I am just leaving it, or I'm just taking it, sorry. Now, let's talk about some of the other minor things. There's some few things that they check up on all the cars, like they did check the back seat and the seatbelt for that recall, but obviously it's a new seat, so it's not a problem. And then they go through and check everything to make sure everything's okay. One of the things that was sort of a fix recall they did was with the key fob here. So since I had sort of an earlier Gravity, I got a new key fob today. This key fob is, it's better. Like I'll hit lock I hit unlock, sorry. I'll hit lock and you can see the car lock. My key fob before was rather unresponsive. If I hit the, let's say the frunk button, hold it for a second, there's my frunk popping up. Like I had a hard time getting my frunk to pop open before. So let's click and hold it. Front goes down. New key fob definitely works great. Honestly, that makes me happy. It's more responsive, but let's just get phone as a key. As soon as phone as a key works, then all of this is pointless, but it's good that there's a redesign on this, and it works the way you would expect a key fob to work. So that's great. Let's check out some of the other things inside. Here is my back seat. As you can see, this part and this part, let's move this. That's the 60 side. So this motor now is a lot quieter. And one thing that's great is ever since day one on this seat, I actually had a squiggle that looked like a Sharpie got on the seat during production. And then it looked like they tried to get it scrubbed off, but there was like a faint squiggle that's always been there. And now I didn't make a big deal of it because I thought I'd be getting new seats. Look, problem solved. No need to worry. New seats fixed it. As I've said in the past, my frunk has been fine, but there was a campaign, that's what they call it, where they make sure they check everybody's car to check the struts in the frunk for people that had frunk opening issues. On the statement it says no, they inspected it, no issues, and that is what I would say is true as well. So just a closer look here at the front lamp that I'm talking about. Right now in this weather, you can see unfortunately my car is a little dirty. Since I picked it up unexpectedly, they didn't get a chance to wash it. But you could see this section right here is slightly misaligned, but at one point I saw a rather large gap. I'll insert a video clip here of that, but that larger gap was concerning to me. But the more normal issue is this area right here. This is what lifts, and mine lifted in the winter, and I think they put a little bit of glue in there that you can see. However, I think maybe while this was in service just now, they were messing with this. I'm not sure, but closely inspecting this lamp, this is really looking rough. Like, it's obvious that this needed a redesign. Look how chipped mine is getting. Is that rock chips, or is that from something they did while inspecting this? But even here, if I look closely, things like this I never noticed. You could see some of the finish is lifting here. So this is a early Gravity. So this is a thing that's already been redesigned. So this shouldn't be a problem on new delivered Gravities. At least I hope. Because other than that, everything is, I feel like it's so solid on this car. And I've been really happy with it, obviously. A few trips to service for the initial things is not a big deal. So I'm gonna get in the car and drive and make sure everything seems right for the first drive out of service. Quick note, if you saw my update video, the 3.6 update, I think my massage seats are fine. I might have just needed to do a reboot. Back in Manhattan, drove from New Jersey, and it was definitely pretty heavy traffic. I think World Cup stuff took a little longer, but all is well. And I'd like to officially announce that the backseat rattle in the seats seems to be gone. Now that I got new seats, and I think they added some felt types things into some of the areas. So the seats are now in the second row seats are now in the fully back position, giving my passengers, if they were there, maximum legroom, and there's not a rattle. If you saw my video with Out of Spec Dave on the Out of Spec Dave channel, he was very bothered by that backseat rattle, and now it's officially fixed. The fix for it, until if you still have this problem, is to always just move them forward like an inch, and then they stop rattling. But now they could be in the good position and not rattle, so I'm happy about that. Otherwise, this drive back has been really smooth. The service, I think, it took a while this time. They're a little bit overwhelmed, so I'm hoping there's going to be some service hiring soon within the company, and I think that'll be the place to put some effort and some money, so that, because they were actually delivering quite a few Gravities there today, and he said tomorrow there's even more deliveries. So they're going to need to make sure they have a robust service team. Everybody's always really nice. I could tell though that they're underwater, a little bit stressed out in the New Jersey area, because there's a ton of customers around here. It's not an easy area to go to work in. So everything looks good with the car. Honestly, I've done about 1,000 miles in the air since I dropped this car off for service, and sitting back in this car felt really weird at first, but I am very thrilled to be back in the Gravity. I think this is definitely my choice for the car. And these buttons in the beginning that everybody felt like were a mistake, and they, this didn't work very well, but that was all software. After being in the air and now being in here, now that the software works good, like I'm actually really into these steering wheel buttons. I think they're really nice, and I'm happy with that. So this is a short video. I'm sorry for rambling just then. Let's call it a day. And so thanks for watching. I never remember to do this because I'm just kind of doing my videos, but I have a Lucid referral in the description of all my videos. If you are thinking about getting a Lucid Air or Gravity, please use my referral. it doesn't hurt you or me. No, it actually helped us both. But I don't know what the current incentives are, but it's better than not using a referral. So yeah, stay tuned, like and subscribe, use my referral, and have a great day, guys.